How many of you had lunch? Please raise your hands. So now we'll do all in practice. Now we'll take rest. No more class. What shall we do? We'll take rest. How many wants to take rest? Please raise your hands once again. Come on, tell me how many wants to take rest? Even the girls want to take rest, they don't want to raise their hands, right? Okay. Please all of you close your eyes. You'll take rest. Please all of you close your eyes. All of you close your eyes. Please don't open your eyes, okay? If you open your eyes, you have to leave that through that window. Okay, please don't open your eyes. Right. Now let me ask some questions. What I am going to do, I am going to ask some questions. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Right. How many have watched Bahubali movie? Please raise your hands. How many have watched Bahubali movie? Please raise your hands. Almost all. Very good. Put hands down. So when I ask the movie Bahubali, now you are able to visualize a picture in your mind. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Now even though we are closing our physical eyes, but you can see through one more eye. What is that eye is known as? Anyone of you students, no more eyes, please. Which eye? So we are closing our physical eyes, but even though we can see through our mental eye. Which eye? Which eye? I cannot call it mental eye, I understand. It's not mental eye, I understand. So that is known as mind's eye. What eye? Mind's eye. Visual is a what eye? Mind's eye. Mind's eye. So we can visualize, so we can imagine the things through our which eye? Mind's eye. Right. Now let me ask one more question. How many have watched Poker movie? Please raise your hands. Almost all. Not only put hands down. Now how is the entrance of mind's eye? Huh? What is the entrance of mind's eye? Tell me. Vegetables, or in the list of vegetables, the entrance of mind's eye takes place. Yes or no? Yes. What are those vegetables? Vegetables. Some are saying tomatoes. Tomatoes are not there. They are there in the fridge. Maybe in the home. Okay. What are they? They are mixing. What is the color of mixing? Red. What is the color of mixing? Red. Okay. Now that means even you can visualize the color of mixing in which movie? Okay. Yes or no? Yes. That means your mind's eye is working. Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes, sir. What is communication? Communication is English. English is communication. What is that? Come again. Communication is English. English is communication. Is that clear? Yes. So there are two types of communication. How many types? Two types. First one is one-way communication. Second one is two-way communication. Third one is three-way communication. What is the third one? Three-way communication. Three-way communication is not there. Understand? There are only two types of communication. One-way communication, which means only the sender will be talking, or only the speaker will be talking, whereas the audience they don't respond. That is known as one-way communication. Now in this class, I am asking questions. You are giving answers. This class is known as two-way communication. Understand? Please do respond so that the class becomes effective. Is that clear? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Let me ask one more question. What's your mom is doing right now? She may be taking rest, or she may be cooking, or she may be watching the TV serials which are dubbed from Hindi. Yes or no? Yes. Now they are able to see the picture of your mother through your mindset. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Yes or no? Yes, sir. That means there is an eye in our mind that is known as mind's eye. It is working. Yes or no? Yes, sir. It is working, right? Now I am going to narrate a story. What I am going to do? I am going to narrate a story. Please visualize all the pictures in your mind. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now please raise your hand. Please raise your hands. The students who don't have minds. I am asking the please raise your hands. The students who don't have minds. Okay. That means all you have minds. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. That means our mind's eye is working. Right. Please imagine. Please see the picture of Charminar. What are you going to see? Charminar. in your eye, in your mind. Yes or no? Yes. Please visualize clearly the picture of Charminar. Right. On the top of Charminar, there is a girl sitting on it. The girl's name is Aruna. What is the girl's name? Aruna. She's wearing a white frock and she looks like an angel. She looks like an angel. Where is she sitting? And she's sipping tea. What she's doing? Sipping tea. She's sipping tea. Right. After some time, she came down and started to walk in the streets of Charminar. Who is walking in the streets of Charminar? Aruna. Okay? Please don't open your eyes. To her surprise, she found Lalu Prasad Yadav is selling tea. Who is selling tea there? Lalu Prasad Yadav is selling tea. Right? You have to accept because it is a story. In Bahubali movie, we have accepted that Prabhas has climbed such a high speed and at last he has reached Avantika. Yes or no? Yes. We have accepted and we paid for it. Yes or no? Yes. We have no payment, only acceptance. Is that clear? Right. Who is selling tea there? Lalu Prasad Yadav. Right. Aruna has taken one more tea from Lalu Prasad Yadav and she said that tea is very good. What she said? Tea is very good. She said in Hindi. If you translate the same thing into Hindi, it becomes what? Bahut acha, right? Yes or no? Yes. Right. After that, as soon as she said like that, there is a bit of smile on the face of Lalu Prasad Yadav. Is that clear? Again, there is a bit of smile on the face of even Aruna. Now both are smiling at each other. Aruna is smiling as well as Lalu Prasad is smiling. So there was background music. My God, what happened? You know, Aruna and Lalu Prasad Yadav fell in love for the first time. What happened? Aruna as well as Lalu Prasad Yadav fell in love. Right. After that, they wanted to go to beach. Who wanted to go to beach? Lalu Prasad Yadav and they went to a beach. Where did they go? Beach. They went to a beach. Okay. To their surprise, they happened to see Gandhiji there. Who is there? Gandhiji. Gandhiji. To their surprise, they happened to see there Gandhiji. Now Gandhiji is singing a song. What Gandhiji is doing? Singing a song. The name of the song is Haryana Haryana. What is the name of the song? Haryana Haryana. What is the name of the song? Haryana Haryana. That means you are also singing here. Okay, very good. When he is singing that song, suddenly there are two apples fallen from the sky on the sand. What happened? Two apples fallen from the sky on the sand. Normally, apples have no names. Yes or no? Yes. But these apples have got names. There is letter H is written on first apple. What is the letter? H. Letter J is written on second apple. So what are the apple names? H and J. What are the apple names? H and J. Suddenly, those apples have turned into cricket balls. What happened? This is magic happened. What happened? Those apples have turned into cricket balls. Suddenly, MS Dhoni happened to see them. Who saw them? MS Dhoni. As soon as he saw cricket balls, he wanted to play cricket. What he wanted to do? He wanted to play cricket. Now he started to play cricket. When he is playing cricket, he listens to a melodious music. What is that? He listens to melodious music. For that music, a girl named after Putti. What is that? A girl named after Putti is dancing. She is not dancing left to the stage. She is not dancing right to the stage. She is not dancing in front of the stage. She is not dancing back to the stage or behind the stage. She is exactly dancing in the center of the stage. Where she is dancing? Center of the stage. Center of the stage. Is that clear? Right. This dance performance is observed by, or there was a live telecast of this dance performance. The same thing is observed by Sachin Tendulkar. Who watched the dance? Sachin Tendulkar. He was so impressed with the dance and he came to the spot and he gave some money. He gave some money as a cash prize to whom? To that girl. Who gave money? To whom? It would be. Is that clear? As soon as he gave money, what happened is there are some changes which are occurring in the cloud. What is happening? There are some changes which are occurring in the cloud. That means before it rains, the clouds or the situation becomes dark. Yes or no? Like that, it becomes a little darker and darker. Yes? Is that clear? Is that clear? Right. Shall we recap the story once again? Are you all ready? Yes, sir. For the first time, what do you happen to see? Who is there on the top of Chandra? Aruna. What she is doing? What is that she is wearing? She looks like an angel. After that, she came and started walking in the streets of Chandra, and to her surprise, what did she see? What is doing? He is selling tea. After taking tea, what she said? What she said? Right. Now what after that what happened? There was a smile on the face of what happened later? They both very proud. They are very happy, right? Yes, yes, very good. Now there's a background where did they go? Beach. They went to beach. So they said, what happened to see there? Gandhi. What is doing there? What is the name of the song? What is the name of the song? Right, Haryana. What happened later? Two apples have fallen from the sky on the sand. What are the apple names? H and J. Very good. Now those apples have turned into cricket balls. Not balls, you know the volleyball is the ball is there. This one is turned into what balls? Cricket balls. Who wanted to play with that? Dhoni wanted to play. Yes. When he is playing cricket, he listens to a melodious music. Yes or no? Yes. Who's dancing for that? Dhoni. Where is he dancing? Who observed it? What he gave? Right. What happened later? There are some changes which are occurring in the cloud assignment. Yes or no? Yes. Almost all the students are sitting in this class. They can memorize the story. Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now, please open your eyes. All of you open your eyes. Are you not sleeping still? Sit properly, all of you. Now, tell me what is the moral in the story. I am not asking B1 and B2 students. I am asking A1 and A2 students. What happened in the story? What is the moral in the story? If at all, if there is a moral, what is the moral? What is the result of this story? Why we have discussed in the class? It's like a meditation. Very good. Someone said it's a meditation. We can remember the story, right? That means if you write the same story on a piece of paper, it will take 10 to 12 lines. Yes or no? But it is there in the mind. Very good. Still, imagination. We have learned the skill of imagination. Still. Proper visualization. So we have learned how to visualize. Still, what we have learned. Now what shall we do is, do we have both the hands? Shall you all clap once? Clap loudly. What is the reason why you clap? Because I asked to clap. I will ask, go to the third floor and jump. Can you jump? You can jump, yes or no? Right. Let me tell you one thing. Apart from learning imagination, creative thinking or visualization, who are sitting in this class, without your awareness, we have learned 70 names of Indian states. How many? 70. How many? 70. 70 names of Indian states. How many states we have? How many states we have? 29. So 17 are over. That means how many is there? 12 will be there. Right? So we will be discussing 12 later. But as of now, how many we have discussed? 17. Part 1 is over. So part 2 is there. As of now, part 2 is 2016. Right? Okay. Now you may not believe that you have learned 70 names of Indian states. Yes or no? Yes. You cannot believe it. How? Yes or no? This is question mark. Then full stop comes later when I explain it. Okay? Shall we recall the story once again? Yes. There are names of states in the story. We will pick it up one by one. Are you all ready? Yes. Are you all ready? Right. Now tell me what you happen to see for the first time in your mind. Charminar. Clear? Yes. Right. Where is Charminar? It's in Hyderabad. Sure. It didn't change its place, right? It's in Hyderabad. Okay. Hyderabad is the capital city of Telangana as well as Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad is the capital city of Telangana. Yes or no? Yes. Right. Now we have learned this state's name in alphabetical order. Which order? In alphabetical order. So Telangana won't come as the first state. It will come at later. After Tamil Nadu, Telangana comes. So what is the first state that you learned? Andhra Pradesh. What is the first state? Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. Okay? We have learned first state. Next, on the top of Charminar, who is sitting? Who is sitting? Aruna is sitting. Yes or no? Yes. What is second state that we learned? Arunachal Pradesh. Second state name is? Arunachal Pradesh. Come on boys, second state name is? Arunachal Pradesh. Like Karna, but you don't want to say Arunachal Pradesh, right? Come on, say, what is second state name? Arunachal Pradesh. What she is doing? She is sipping? Tea. Which tea is famous? Assam tea is famous. So third state, what is that? Assam. What is the first state? Andhra Pradesh. Second state? Arunachal Pradesh. Third state? Assam. So alphabet A is over. Now she came down and started to walk in the streets of Charminar. To her surprise, she found Lalu Prasad Yadav hails from Bihar. So what is the fourth state? Bihar. Is that clear? She took tea. She has taken tea. Yes or no? Yes. Right. After taking tea, she said, what she said? Bout? Acha. What she said? Bout? Acha. You remove bout. What will be there? What will be there? You remove A also. What will be there? Come on, say. Chhattisgarh. So with the state is? How many states over? 5. What is the first state? Andhra Pradesh. Second state? Arunachal Pradesh. Third state? Assam. Fourth state? Bihar. State? Chhattisgarh. 5 states are over. Yes or no? Yes. Right. After that, they fell in love. Where did they go? Beach. They went to? Beach. Which beach is very famous? Goa. Which beach is famous? Goa. Normally, whenever we say about beach, ultimately our memory or our mind recollects. What is that? Goa. So what is one more state? Goa. To their surprise, whom did they see there? Gandhiji. So Gandhiji hails from? Gujarat. Hails from? Gujarat. So Goa is over, Gujarat is over. It's an alphabetical order. Is that clear? Now what Gandhiji is doing? He is singing a song. What is the name of the song? So Haryana song becomes Haryana. What is the state? Haryana. 8 states are over. How many states are over? 8 states are over. Right. When he's singing song, what happened? There are 2 apples fallen from the sky on the sand. What are their names? What are their names? H and J. H stands for Himachal Pradesh. J stands for where apples are plenty. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. From there, the apples will be spread throughout India. Himachal Pradesh as well as Jammu and Kashmir. So, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. How many states are over now? 10. How many states are over? 10. Still how many are left? 7. Still 7 are there. Okay. Those apples have turned into what? Who happened to see that? MS Dhoni. Yes or no? Where does he hail from? He's from? Jharkhand. So one more state is? Jharkhand. So 11th state is? Jharkhand. So Jammu Kashmir is over. Again J. Jharkhand. Is that clear? Now, when he is playing cricket, he listens to a melodious music. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Right. We have got various types of music. We have Hindustani as well as what is one more? Carnatic. So we have Hindustani music as well as Carnatic music. So Carnatic music stands for Karnataka. What is the more state? What is the more state? music. Who is dancing? Which Kutty? Obviously, you have seen number of movies where Kerala Kuttis are there. Yes or no? Yes or no? So one more state is? How many states are over now? 30. How many states are over? 30. How many are there? 4 are there. We have discussed only 30. Yes or no? Right. Now, where she is dancing? She is dancing exactly the center of the stage. Center stands for Madhya Pradesh. So 14 state is Madhya Pradesh. Who happened to see that? He hails from? He hails from? So 15 states are over. How many states are being left? 2. Right? Now, he came to the spot. Who came to the spot? Sachin Tendulkar came to the spot and declared money as cash prize. What he did? What he did? So what is the more state? Manipal is not a state, it's a Manipur. What is that? Manipur. Is that clear? So 16th state is over. The last one. As soon as he gave money, there are some changes in the clouds. So cloud becomes Meghalaya. How many states are there? 7 discussed. 17. Yes or no? Yes. Tell it out clap once again. Till now the story is okay. Yes or no? Yes. How many states are being left? How many states are being left? 12. How many unit trains we have? 7. Altogether it becomes? So 29 states plus 7 unit trains, it becomes 36. As of now we have learned only 17. How many have learned? 17. Still how many will be there? How many will be there? 19 will be there. Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. How many will be there? 19. So we have discussed only part 1. Or otherwise part 1 is over. Understand? Part 2 will come later. So again we have Telangana state to be included. Yes or no? Yes. When CM KCR enters to the sea, then Bahubali 2 is there. In the same way, part 2 will be discussing later. Is that clear? Now, let me ask one question. If I project 17 names of Indian states on the projector, where? On the projector, how many minutes that will you take to remember it? 5 minutes? I am asking alphabetical order. That means what I will say, if you don't know this technique, how many minutes that you take to remember in alphabetical order? Some students, bright students, so-called clever students, so-called those who have memory, they may take 5 minutes. How many minutes? 5 minutes. Some students may take 10 minutes. Some students may take 15 minutes. Some students may take it light. Light in the sense? Not required. That means not required. They say that whatever is in the projector, that is available on the internet. So when you study, then you make it. Yes or no? Right. Now tell me, by hearting is good or remembering through story is good? Which is good? Remembering through story. Have you ever imagined that you can remember 70 names of anything, that may be state or something, but your memory has reached a level where you can remember how many? 70. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Right. That means if time permits, we can still learn up to how many? 36. How many? 36. That means if I extend the story, if I elaborate the same story, you can remember even 36. Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. As of now, we have remembered how many? 70. As of now, we have remembered how many? 70. Right. Let me tell you a few facts about memory. So my class is today about memory management. What is the class? Memory management. Our mind is good at remembering pictures. What is that? Remembering pictures. It can't remember. It may remember a few letters, but remembering pictures is very easy for our mind. What is very easy? Remembering pictures. The reason, let me tell you, the movie that you have watched during 5th class or 6th class, you can remember till today. Yes or no? Yes. That is Purti Review. When you are studying 5th or 6th standard, it might have released. Yes or no? Even you can remember till today, till now, short by short, entrance by entrance, 5 by 5. Yes or no? Dress by dress, what you wore or what you wore. Yes or no? That is our memory. If you can, because it is in the form of what? Pictures. The same lecture or any lecture that has been taught day before yesterday or yesterday, we cannot remember it. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Because it is not in the form of pictures. Because it is not in the form of pictures. Whereas the movie is in the form of pictures. Is that clear? Is that clear? So our brain is good at understanding pictures rather than letters. Did you understand this? You understand this? That is why when you instruct nursery students, LKG students and UKG students, what you say is A for, come on, A for, B for, C for, that means you show them the letter and picture, letter and picture, letter as well as picture, so that they can remember well. Is that clear? Those 2 to 3 years, what happens is, whenever he sees A, that becomes apple for him. Whenever he sees apple, that is A for him. Is that clear? So those 2 to 3 years, whenever he sees B, that is ball for him. Whenever he sees ball, that is B for him. Is that clear? So whenever he sees a cat, that is C for him. Mommy, C for cat. Cat is there. He says yes or no? Yes or no? That means human memory can be increased or it can be improved if it is in the form of pictures. Is that clear? Is that clear? Now tell me, before I came to class, you are the same person. Yes or no? Now also you are the same person. Yes or no? Now, when you are studying at the school level, your teachers might have compared you with others. Those are getting first rank or second rank or third rank. What they might have compared? See the first rank students, see the second rank students. They have good memory, whereas you don't have good memory. That means our teachers certified us. Who are certified us? Our teachers certified. When you go home with your progress card, your mom or dad compare with your sister or brother. Look at your brother, how well he studies, whereas you cannot study. For that moment, your brother becomes God for you. Yes or no? For that moment, your sister becomes goddess for you. Now, even our parents also certify that we cannot remember. Self-right. The third thing what we do is, so we think our teachers are certified that we don't have memory, whereas even parents are certified that we don't have memory. So if that's what happened, we self-declare and put a certification here. What is that? I cannot remember well. Yes or no? Yes or no? Please say one line what I am going to say. Memory is not by default. All of you. Memory is not by default. Memory can be improved. Is that clear? Is that clear? Normally what we think is, by birth we should get memory, otherwise no. Yes or no? Yes or no? How would we think? Yes or no? So memory is not by default, but it can be. Now tell me, how many types of memories are there? How many types of memories are there? No answers. Please tell me. A1 and A2 students, how many types of memories are there? 2 types. Internal memory and external memory. Internal and external memory. It's not a device. We are human beings. Yes or no? Right. Still, short-term memory, long-term memory, as of now, no. Conscious memory, subconscious memory, unconscious memory, they are wrong. They are not there. Still, negative memory, positive memory, no. Permanent memory, temporary memory, no. Only one memory, no. No memory, no. Don't tell me. How many types of memory? There are two types of memories. What are they? There are how many types? Two types. One is, you may say the rich memory and poor memory. No, they are wrong. One is untrained memory. What is one? Untrained memory. Second one is trained memory. What is the first one? Untrained memory. Second one? Trained memory. Understand? So before I came to class, it was untrained memory. Is that clear? Is that clear? Now after we have learned the technique, it has become trained memory. It has become trained memory. Is that clear? So now onwards, what you have to say is, I have excellent memory. Please all of you say, I have excellent memory. Once again, I have excellent memory. That means now, if the same story is being extended, you can remember 36 names of Indian states. Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. You can, now you got the confidence that you can remember 36. Yes or no? Yes. So let me ask one more question. I think you have written SSC exams as well as intermediate exams. Did you write? Yes, sir. You wrote that is why you are here. Yes or no? Yes. Right. Now tell me, did you write any answer? Did you write any answer where there are 36 identities? Huh? Did you write? Let me tell you, I will be taking classes for BTech first years, second years, third years, fourth years, as well as MBA first year, MBA second year, as well as number of classes I will be taking. Let me tell you, throughout your 4 years of BTech, you can't find any single answer where there are 36 identities. That means, now I think you got confidence and you can remember 36. Yes or no? We'll sit for studying for the exam. We'll look at the book 4 dimensions. Right? How the book is. Then slowly we'll see the last page. Oh my God, 500 pages are there. Oh, right? Then you go to opening the first index page. And what is it? How index is very beautiful to see. Then go to chapter 1. You will think that it is only basics. You have learned already the previous year. Yes or no? Yes. Right. You will go to chapter 2. When you see chapter 2, you will find it a little difficult. So what do you think is? When you find it difficult, what do you say to yourself is, this is not so important for the exam point of view. That is it. Next, let's go to the third chapter. It's much more critical. I don't think it is very important. Let's turn all the pages. By the time we come across the last page. So why are we doing like that? Why are we doing like that? Because we have fear inside that we cannot remember. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Now onwards. If you find any essay, if there are 15 headings, what do you say to yourself? What do you say to yourself? That you are then you always try to, I can remember 36. So remembering this 15 is not a big task. Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Whereas other students they find it very difficult to remember this 15. Whereas you can remember how many? 36. So look at 20 headings, no problem. Say to your heart, what do you say? I can remember because my memory has reached which level? 36. 20 is not a big task. Open the book and read it. Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. So what is the one thing that you have learned today? What you have learned? I can remember. My memory is excellent. I have excellent memory. I have excellent memory. I have excellent memory. Understand? Today onwards, please remove the false notion whatever you have. Memory is not by default. What is that? Memory is not by default. Memory can be improved. Please all of you say. Memory is not by default. Okay, do you understand? So memory is not by default. It can be improved, provided you should know the techniques. You should know the techniques. So let me tell you what are the techniques that we use in remembering these things. Storytelling method is one method. The second thing is visualization. Third technique is linking method. What method? Linking method. So there is a link between Charminar, Aruna, and taking tea, Lalu Prasad. There is a link. Yes or no? So when you know this kind of techniques, what happens is your memory can be really improved. Today onwards, so why I am teaching this half an hour is today onwards you don't have false notion that I don't have memory. Yes or no? You have to always say to your heart that what you have to say? I have excellent memory. What do you have to say? I have excellent memory. My mind is equal to supercomputer. Please say. My mind is equal to supercomputer. Is that clear? Is that clear? Now you are confident that if there are 36 activities you can remember. Yes or no? Please all of you say. Yes. I can remember. Is that clear? Right. Do you understand now? Primary thing is you should not have negative impression about your memory. You should not underestimate. Is that clear? Is that clear? Is that clear? Today onwards, go to your home and say to your brother and sister, what are you going to say? If your brothers, your sisters, what do you say? Sit with them and tell them what you are going to tell. My dear brother and my dear sister. So memory is not by default, but memory can be improved. Many of the students we don't know. We think that my memory is by default. Yes or no? Today evening, please go there and tell your friends what you are going to say. Yes or no? Yes. So I am signing off for today's class. Thank you. Right? How is the class? Like it, right? So now.